Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Pinokio AI in a quick and simple way. So Pinokio is a local platform that helps you install, open, and manage different AI tools on your computer. Although you can use the installed Pinokio app, I'll use the website for this guide because the process is almost the same. So first, open up your browser and go to pinokio.co and make sure Pinokio is spelled Pinokio. And from the website, you can download the program for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Choose the version that matches your computer, download the installer, and complete the setup. So once Pinokio is installed, open it on your computer, and then you will see a dashboard where you downloaded AI tools and apps will appear. Since you are just getting started, go to the main Explore page. This is where you can browse the different open source AI tools available through Pinokio. And scroll through the page and choose an app that interests you. So each tool may be designed for a different purpose, so take a moment to check its name, description, and supported platform, and after selecting a tool, follow the instructions shown on the screen to install it. And then Pinokio makes this easier by handling much of the setup for you. And once the installation is complete, the tool will appear inside your Pinokio dashboard. And from there, you can open it and start using it on your own computer. So this is helpful for beginners because it gives you a simpler way to try open source AI tools without dealing with more complicated setup methods. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.